What's up guys, the Rogue Vet back at you with another video today. So today we're gonna go ahead, I'm going to Discount Tire, just got off work. We're gonna go get the front two tires replaced as they're getting pretty bald, and I believe they're the original factory tires that came with the car back in 2014. So we're gonna go ahead and get those taken off and replaced. I'm gonna see if I can film while we're having it done, and then that'll be a video for today. So let's go ahead, drive down, go get those done, and we'll see what happens. All right guys, let's go. Coming up to traffic. It is 5 o'clock rush hour, so that's to be expected. Got a nice scenery in the back. Alright, here we go. We're going now. Alright, we're about to pull in. What's up, man? I'm here.
Tires came in.
All right, guys. So I'm here at Discount. Looks like they're pretty busy. To be expected. I guess it's 5 o'clock, right before they're about to close. But let's see. Let's see who comes out to help me. See how fast we can get this going. Got another little C7 right here. I guess he said it was one of the other guys.
Pisses me off. I want to like clean it all the time.
Yeah, but not when it's gonna be raining off and on throughout the week.
These past
you know what I'm saying?
few weeks have been horrible.
Yeah, that's why this car is the way it is, because there's no point.
I know.
There's no point in doing it.
And then all the thunderstorms coming with possibility of hail these past few weeks.
Yeah.
Weird. You got Corsa on it?
Well, it's my it's just a catback. It's my friend's. Pulling it in, guys. They're pulling it in. Alright guys, we're leaving Discount. It's all done and set. They did a fantastic job. There it is over there. But let's go ahead and head on home. Alright guys, so I'm back home. Here's the finished product. So I got the replacements on the tires, the Michelin Pilot Super Sports in the 245/35 19s. These are the exact same ones that come from the factory, as it did back in 2014, and I believe they did a very good job. I don't see any scratches or anything like that. I mean, it's going to come with a little bit of that goop stuff that you see on there, but that's going to wash off over time. Overall, I think they did an awesome job. I recommend it to anyone else who has a nice car, or any car in general who wants to have their tires done. Looks like they did a fantastic job. So we'll be getting the rear tires done when they are ready to be changed, but they still have some life left on them. These still look like they're pretty good, and we'll get them done accordingly as soon as they are. But Discount Tire looks like it's going to be awesome, and I highly recommend it to anyone who needs their tires changed. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all did like the video. Thanks for supporting me, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Until the next one, see y'all later.